look at SAT questions and ACT and some scholastic questions. Most of the time the question is not straightforward in most of the scholastic assessment, and that's all we all about, giving you all the secret, the concept, the hints, and the ins and out in order for you to do well as you're getting ready for your exams. Today we're looking at basically the trigonometric questions, how it can come. Also we have a parallelogram ABCD. They want us to find the area. Area of a parallelogram is height times base length. So here we have the base length to be 12, but the perpendicular height we don't know it, so we need our perpendicular height. Gotta be a perpendicular, so we can call it whatever, but never mind. All that we need is a height, so we have created a height. So if we need a height, we are looking at this triangle, so we can call that point O. We are looking at triangle ABO. The only numbers that we have this angle X here, and we have this length here, which is the longest side, which is the hypotenuse. So we have our angle and the hypotenuse. Okay, so you have to remember your SOHCAHTOA, and remember this is the height. Let me call that height H. So we have the angle, we are looking for the height, so here is opposite, it's looking upon here, so it's opposite, and we have the hypotenuse, so we have the opposite and we have hypotenuse. So what can help us is sine, which is the angle, must be equals to the opposite, which here is the height, over the hypotenuse. But we are looking for the height. Every number is over 1. We can cross multiply, and the height will give us, for 1 times h will be the height, and this will give us 9 times the sine x. So we are making a headway. Once we find that, then we can bring it back in here to complete, because we're looking for the height. The base length was just 12. Here the area will be just 9 sine x times 12, which in return you can readjust it. The numbers come together, which becomes 12 times 9 sine x. Remember, multiplication is commutative, so we can swap D, the correct option here. Right, let's look at our next example, which expression is equivalent to sine 50. So what we know is that if we have two angles A and B, and they add up to 90, which is a complementary angle, then we can say that sine A must be equals to the cos B, because here they have to be 90. So the question given here, we can say that sine 50 must be equals to cos 90 minus 50, which is equals to cos 40, is equivalent because they add up to 90. So here the B will be the good option here. Thank you very much for tuning in into my channel and watching all the way to the end. Please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so, or if today is your first time here. See you in the next video. Be blessed. Bye bye.